Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make lobster ravioli, an easy and impressive dish. We'll start by crafting a rich, flavorful lobster filling using fresh ingredients. Then, I'll guide you through the simple process of assembling your ravioli with convenient store-bought wonton wrappers. Finally, we'll whip up a quick, elegant butter sauce that perfectly complements the delicate flavors of the lobster. Get ready to impress your guests with this delightful meal. Let's begin by preparing our delicious lobster filling. You'll need about 1 pound of cooked lobster meat, finely chopped. In a bowl, combine the lobster with 1/4 cup of creamy ricotta cheese. For a burst of fresh flavor, stir in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh chives and 1 teaspoon of bright lemon zest. Finish by seasoning the mixture with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. This simple filling is the heart of our ravioli. Now, let's assemble our beautiful ravioli. Take about 12 store-bought wonton wrappers and lay them flat on a lightly floured surface. Place approximately 1 teaspoon of our delicious lobster filling right in the center of each wrapper. Lightly moisten the edges of the wrappers with a little water using your finger. Carefully fold the wrappers into your desired shape, like triangles or squares, pressing firmly around the edges to create a tight seal. This prevents the filling from escaping during cooking. Finally, it's time to cook and serve our exquisite lobster ravioli. Bring a large pot of salted water to a gentle boil, then carefully drop in your ravioli. Cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes, or until they float to the surface. While they cook, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a pan with 2 minced garlic cloves. Add 1/4 cup of white wine and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Gently toss the cooked ravioli in this aromatic sauce, and serve immediately for a truly memorable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.